TechieQA channel and welcome to Selenium tutorials. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos. So in last video maybe you have seen how to install Java and Eclipse and how to do the setup. Once you've done that, I can tell you like open the terminal. Once again I can tell you. So enter Java. You should get this kind of response. It should not say Java command not found. Once this is done, Java is installed and Eclipse you can open it. So just go to file, create new Java project. So Selenium project, give the project name and just finish. It will create a Java project for you. Inside you can see source folder. Inside source, right click on source folder, go to file, create a package, something like Selenium scripts, and right click on the package which you have created and click on class. The class is nothing but the Java class, the Java file, what you want, maybe first Selenium script. Just enter it. So now I have created a Java project, not the Selenium project. Inside I have going to create main method, main. So when you enter control space, you will get a option. Main method is auto generated, or if you want to type public static void main string arguments, do that. So the same way, system.out.println, I'm just checking the Java project which we created is works fine or not, or is it throwing some Java error. So if you have an error with Java only, you cannot run the Selenium project, by the way. So I'm just validating the Java project is working fine. Yeah, so we got hello. Now how we can convert this into Selenium project? For that you need to download Selenium libraries, which is just go to Google, Selenium download, the first URL, and scroll down. So we are going to use Java, download it. So once it's downloaded, just open the folder and double click on it. It's extracted and you can see all the files, all the Selenium libraries. Now go to your Java project, so go to Eclipse and right click on the Java project, properties, and Java build path, Java build path, libraries, add external jar, Selenium Java, which were you have downloaded last, right? Select the two library file which is outside, then again add external jar, go inside library, select all the library file, just done it. Yeah, now if you try to do, so this is the first line of automation, it should give a suggestion of WebDriver, otherwise you haven't integrated properly. So you should be able to see ORG's OpenQA Selenium, okay? Otherwise you are not at properly added the jar files. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, so I'm going to launch some website with the Chrome browser. That's why I just used a Chrome driver. Now driver dot get, which is nothing but navigating to the URL. So http google.com. That's it. If you run it now, let's see what happens. It won't run. Why? Because Chrome browser always need system property need to set up for the driver for the Chrome browser. So before creating update for Chrome browser, you should set up system dot set property string value. So in the error you will get a WebDriver Chrome dot driver. That one you should copy. In the value you should give a path of Chrome driver. Go to the website, like last time we have downloaded the Selenium. Just come down, there is a Chrome driver, okay, latest. Just click on it and click on Chrome driver and click on Linux, Mac, Windows, whichever you have your system, like that you have to download. So I have downloaded now. What I do, I need to extract this. This is zip file again. Open this, extract it, copy this and put into somewhere you can maybe access, where I can access. So inside TechieQA I will put. So we need this path actually. So what I will do, cd desktop TechieQA. We need this path along with our Chrome driver. Now just go to Eclipse slash and copy the Chrome driver also. If you guys are using Windows, you put .exe also, otherwise it will say file not found. Okay, so once you've done that, now try to launch it. Run as a Java application. You are facing the driver executable does not exist. I told you, right? Sorry. I told you guys, but I have added .exe. So I'm using Mac, so not required. Okay. So this kind of silly mistake you will do, but you should know by reading the error code. So always try to read the error code, then fix the issues. Otherwise you will fix something else, your issue will be something else. Okay, so always read the error, try to understand, or else Google what Google says, at least you will get to know. Okay, now you can go to google.com. so let me go to github.com. Here what I try to do, I just launch the browser now. Okay, maybe in next video we can see. Now if you want to go to some other website, just paste it, just run it, it will go to GitHub. So this is how we can create our small script. Now I just open the browser and the URL. In next video I can show you how to enter the value on username, email and password, then sign up. Okay, this is just a text box and button, and we can see how to do radio button, checkbox, everything.